Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we turn complex ideas into actionable steps to help you achieve financial success. Ever wonder how AI is reshaping the world of digital products and online courses? What if I told you that AI could be the secret ingredient to creating and selling digital content with less effort and more profit? Well, you're about to find out how to make money with AI by selling digital products and courses. Now I know what you're thinking. AI sounds complicated, right? But in today's episode, we're breaking it down, step by step, to show you how to tap into the power of AI and turn your knowledge and creativity into an online money-making machine. Trust me, once you see the potential, you won't look at AI the same way again. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a certified financial professional for personalized advice. All right, let's jump into it. How to use AI to sell digital products and courses. The first question you're probably asking is, what exactly is AI doing in the digital product world? AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a tool that's revolutionizing how we create, market, and sell products, especially digital products and courses. Imagine having a system that can create content, personalize learning experiences, optimize your sales strategies, and even handle customer service, all with minimal effort on your part. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not. Step 1. Automating content creation. Creating digital products or courses from scratch can take a lot of time. But with AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper, you can generate content at lightning speed. These tools can help you write course materials. Whether you're creating a full course on financial planning or a guide to digital marketing, AI can assist in drafting outlines, lesson plans, and even detailed explanations. Generate eBooks and guides. Let's say you're selling a financial ebook. AI can help create an initial draft, and with a little tweaking, you have a polished product ready for sale. This means you can scale your business faster and with less effort, freeing up time to focus on other important aspects like marketing and growth. Step 2. Personalize learning experiences. Here's where AI truly shines. When you're selling online courses, one of the biggest challenges is engagement. Traditional courses can be somewhat static. What if your students need a more personalized experience? That's where AI-powered platforms come in. Tools like Teachable and Thinkific now integrate AI to help create customized learning paths based on each student's progress, questions, and preferences. Let's use an example. Say Henry is taking your course on personal finance. AI can track his progress, offer additional resources tailored to his weak points, and even suggest next steps based on his learning style. This leads to a more engaged, satisfied customer who's more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your course to others. Step 3. AI for marketing and sales optimization. Now let's talk about the money-making part. You can have the best digital product or course in the world, but if no one sees it, it won't sell. That's where AI-powered marketing tools come into play. Email automation. AI can craft personalized email sequences that nurture potential customers into buyers. Based on the behavior of your subscribers, AI can send them tailored messages, nudging them toward a purchase. Predictive analytics. AI platforms like HubSpot and ActiveCampaign can analyze data from your website and sales channels to predict customer behavior. This allows you to optimize your pricing strategy, improve your sales funnels, and convert leads into paying customers more effectively. Chatbots for customer service. AI chatbots are also a game changer in handling customer queries. They can answer questions, guide users through the checkout process, and even upsell your other digital products, all while you sleep. This combination of automation and personalization is a powerful way to reach more people, make sales, and ultimately grow your income. Step 4. Scaling your business. Once you have the basics down, content creation, personalized experiences, and sales optimization, the real magic happens: scaling. AI allows you to grow your business without increasing your workload exponentially. By automating routine tasks like customer support, content distribution, and email marketing, you can focus on building even more digital products or courses. You can expand your offerings without being bogged down by administrative tasks. For example, Ava started with a single online course about personal finance. After using AI tools to automate the majority of her workflow, she created 3 more courses in the span of 6 months. Her income grew by 200%, all without having to sacrifice quality or spend countless hours working on content. Step 5. Optimize with Data. AI isn't just about creating and selling, it's also about continuous improvement. By leveraging AI's data analytics, you can continually improve your courses and digital products. Google Analytics and AI-driven platforms can help you understand user behavior and optimize your product offerings accordingly. If you notice a drop-off rate during a particular lesson or module, AI can suggest ways to improve engagement. This means your courses and digital products only get better over time. Wrapping up, AI has the potential to change the game when it comes to creating and selling digital products and courses. From automating content creation to enhancing customer experiences and optimizing sales, the tools available today make it easier than ever to monetize your expertise. But like anything, it's not a magic bullet. Success still requires strategy, dedication, and the right approach. Implement these tools wisely, and you'll find yourself on the path to financial success, with AI working in the background to maximize your efforts. Which AI tool are you most excited to use? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm eager to hear your take. If this video helped, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more finance strategies that put you ahead of the curve. And remember, this content is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. If you found this helpful, you'll love the next video we have in store. Click on the video on screen now and continue your journey to financial freedom.